a common thing is this challenge around manufacturing offshore and the fish hooks involved in that, which people learn through experience. But I think if we're smart about that, we can preempt that. And one of the common ones is often around quality. We hear that quite a lot. And the realisation actually that we do need to place a person in the remote factory to manage quality. And I think people do that after the event. I think we can preempt that by doing it before that happens. So, that can save a lot of heartache and a lot of money and a lot of time. I was talking to a company recently who said they started by manufacturing a product and they knew that the Chinese could always undercut the cost of that. They knew that from the get-go. They then went to being not a product company, but being a systems company. So they added other stuff around that product. And then they have moved now to being a platform company. So across that transition, and they're using the cloud to provide remote servicing and a whole bunch of things. So when they were a product company, they had one source of revenue. Now they're a platform company. They have 5 ways of making money out of that same product. And it protects the product from the Japanese or Chinese who might be able to undercut the actual product cost. They can't compete on the value proposition. With the technology that's coming through and this overriding need to address that existential threat around climate and carbon in the atmosphere, I think anything that reduces shipping is important. Now, that's a challenge for New Zealand, so remote from the rest of the world, or are we? I think we're closer to the west coast of America than Europe is, for example, and China, and we're closer to China than America is, or Europe. So I've never been quite sure that our distance from global markets is real. We're certainly a long way from Europe. But if we can do things which negate the need to ship physical product, then this is a real bonus and a real value point in the world that we live in, and particularly for ethical consumers. So if we can use technology to 3D print, the advance of Industry 4.0, which is about using data, robotics, machine learning, AI, sensors, IoT, it means that you can actually manufacture lights off anywhere in the world once you've set it up. Although this is only just at the beginning, you can see that within 10 years this will be a common practice. And so I think New Zealand businesses need to start thinking about some of those opportunities that are coming because they help level the playing field a bit and also play to that need to address some of the climate challenges that's in front of us.